Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you a little twist on my usual browse shop with me videos. I've curated something extra special, a Crate and Barrel lookbook. I did a Crate and Barrel shop with me video recently that features totally different items and is 30 minutes of yummy. I will link that in the description box. But now I've spent some time diving into their latest collections, really picking out my absolute favorites to share with you. So whether you're refreshing your living space or hosting a cozy dinner party or just looking for some design inspiration, I've got you covered. Now before we dive into more gorgeous finds, here's what's new with me. I'm busy with several room design projects in my home and even a DIY that I think you're going to love. In addition to traditional styling pieces, I really love modern, contemporary, old money, and even some dark academia vibes. So join me as I bring some of these trends into my home. Just keep your notification bell on and watch for the vlog posts. By the way, drop me a comment because we're going to soon focus on what's trending in the various design styles, and I want to know your top 3. Pause right now and drop that answer. What are your top 3 design styles? Also, each Tuesday, we add ambient instrumental videos, and if you like chill, lo-fi vibes or relaxing jazz music to set the mood, then be sure to watch those videos. I think you'll really love them. I'll link them below. All right, let's jump into this Crate and Barrel lookbook. Get comfy, grab a drink, and let's explore some of the Crate and Barrel's best new pieces together. Lighting can completely transform a space. It's not just functional, it's a design statement. From the warm glow of table lamps to the bold elegance of chandeliers, every piece plays a role in setting the mood. Let's explore the latest from Crate and Barrel, featuring stunning wall sconces, floor lamps, flush mounts, and more. Whether you're looking to brighten up a workspace with a task lamp or create drama with pendant lamps, I've curated the best for you. Let's jump in and light up your inspiration. Just wanted to take a quick moment to thank you for watching and let you know that we post videos here every single week. So if you're enjoying this content and want to stay updated when fresh episodes are uploaded, please click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out. I'd love to officially welcome you as a member of the Elevated Spaces Society here on Living So Purposefully channel. Let's keep discovering new ideas, leveling up, and creating a life filled with purpose. Your tabletop is where function meets style. It's where meals become memories and gatherings come to life. Crate & Barrel's new arrivals in drinkware, serveware, and dinnerware offer everything you need to elevate your dining space. From chic glassware that adds a touch of sophistication to your cocktails, to stunning serverware that makes every meal a visual delight. There's something for every occasion. The dinnerware pieces combine beauty and durability, perfect for both everyday use and special celebrations. Let's dive into these must-have pieces that'll make your dinner party or family meal feel extra special. Decor is what turns a house into a home. It's the finishing touch that adds warmth, personality, and style. Whether it's a statement vase, textured throw pillows, or sculptural accents, the right pieces can elevate any space effortlessly. In today's lookbook, I'm showcasing Crate & Barrel's newest decor finds, thoughtfully designed to bring balance, elegance, and a fresh perspective to your home. Whether you're looking for a refresh, a shelf, a style of a coffee table, or to add depth to your walls, I've curated the best pieces for you. Let's explore how these stunning decor accents can transform your space. Pillows are the easiest way to refresh your space, whether you're adding a pop of color, a touch of texture, or creating the perfect cozy vibe. The right pillow mix can instantly transform a sofa, a bed, or an accent chair into a designer-styled moment. In today's lookbook, I'm sharing Crate & Barrel's latest pillow finds, plush velvets, airy linens, and bold patterns that bring style and comfort together effortlessly. Whether you love a neutral palette or something bold and vibrant, I've got options to inspire your next home refresh. Let's dive in and find the perfect pillows to elevate your space. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really fun with this style of video, just really perusing through the lookbook, and I think I pulled together some really fabulous finds. Now, I want you guys to make sure that you tune in to the design series coming up. We're going to explore all kind of design styles, and I think you're going to love the format of those videos. So make sure you've subscribed and keep your notifications on. And until then, keep elevating your space and enriching your life.